Here we have the graph of j to the x. Sketch the image graph after a translation of 4 units left and 5 units down. So when I'm reading a question, or when you're reading a question for homework or on a quiz or on a test, what you want to really pay attention to is that sentence that tells you what you need to do. And this time, we want to sketch the graph 4 units left and 5 units down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those 3 key points, and I want to move those 1, 2, 3, 4 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. I got to move this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4 units left. 5 units down. Now I did something in this question that is very common, is I just used the lines to count, right? When I started counting 4 to the left, I just went 1, 2, 3, 4. One thing we have to be careful with is the scale of the graph. You will get some graphs that each line it goes 2, 4, 6, 8 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. So just check what your scale is on your graph when you're moving things, because there will be some graphs where the scale doesn't go by ones. This one did go by ones, so everything is still fine. We can now draw our graph, same shape that we had before. You are responsible for adding those arrowheads on the end. And now we have to write the equation in terms of j. So it's going to be y equals, in this case we moved left and down, so there's going to be something on the inside of the function and something after the function. What's going to be on the inside? Plus 4, because that will show 4 to the left. And what's going to be on the outside? Minus 5. And that will show that it's moving 5 down. State the domain and range of each function. So it wants the domain and range of the red one and the domain and range of the image graph. So we call the graph that we finished drawing the image graph. You can call the original one, or the parent graph. So the domain, with those arrowheads going up here, it goes up forever and it goes out to the left and to the right forever. So the domain of this one is everything. And the domain of the green one will also be everything. The range of our original one, its smallest value for the y values is 0, and then it goes up forever. So we can write that as y is greater than or equal to 0. Then when it's been moved down 5, now our smallest value is negative 5. So we can write y is greater than or equal to negative 5. So this, both of those domains and range, those are in set notation. Eight, 9, and 10, and we will take some time to work on those right now.